Have you ever wondered why your income keeps growing, yet real wealth feels out of reach? You're not alone. We've been conditioned to believe that more income automatically equals more wealth. But here's the harsh truth. Income and wealth are not the same. And until you understand this difference, true financial freedom will remain just a dream. Let me share a story. In the early 2000s, two friends started their careers in New York City. David landed a high-paying job on Wall Street, earning six figures within a few years. His lifestyle grew with his income. Luxury apartment, designer clothes, exotic vacations. Meanwhile, Jason earned far less working in tech support. But he did something different. He lived below his means, maxed out his Roth IRA, invested in index funds, bought rental properties in emerging markets, and developed passive income streams. Fast forward 15 years. David drives a Tesla, lives in a penthouse, but carries massive mortgage payments, credit card debt, and has minimal savings. Jason? He owns multiple rental units, a diversified stock portfolio, and his passive income covers his expenses entirely. Despite lower income initially, Jason built wealth. David only built an expensive lifestyle. This is the trap most Americans fall into. High income creates the illusion of wealth, but lifestyle inflation silently kills your ability to accumulate assets. Here's the fundamental difference. Income is money flowing in from your job or business. Wealth is what remains after your expenses, in the form of assets that grow or produce more income. Sadly, many with high incomes stay financially fragile because they trade time for money, spend everything they earn, and never acquire appreciating assets. Let's break this down further with real data. According to Charles Schwab's Modern Wealth Survey, most Americans define wealth by income or lifestyle, not by net worth or financial security. That's a psychological trap. Behavioral economists like Daniel Kahneman reveal that humans have a cognitive bias called hedonic adaptation. Simply put, when your income rises, your expectations rise too. You get used to the new car, the bigger house, the premium lifestyle, and soon it doesn't feel extraordinary anymore. You're back chasing the next upgrade. This is why, even in a booming economy, many Americans live paycheck to paycheck. But there's more to the psychology of money. One of the most dangerous beliefs is called present bias, the tendency to prioritize immediate gratification over long-term security. That's why people splurge their raises on vacations or luxury items instead of building their asset base. Studies from Princeton University also show that as income rises, happiness only increases to a certain threshold, around $75,000 to $100,000 per year. Beyond that, fulfillment plateaus unless you have time freedom and financial control. Yet we chase higher salaries endlessly, ignoring the fact that wealth, not income, buys peace of mind. The harsh reality? Swan, mistaking high income for wealth. You believe bigger paychecks will solve everything, but unless income is converted to assets, you're stuck in the rat race. 2. Lifestyle creep. With every promotion, you upgrade your car, home, gadgets. Your expenses rise as fast as your income. 3. Psychological money blocks. Many Americans subconsciously sabotage wealth by associating money with stress, greed, or guilt. These hidden beliefs, often formed in childhood, shape adult financial decisions. 4. Lack of asset focus. You work for money, but your money never works for you. True wealth is when your assets generate income without your active effort. 5. Comfort over growth. Most people stay trapped because they're comfortable, but wealth requires stepping outside your comfort zone, learning investments, building side hustles, and acquiring money skills. Here's a mindset shift that can change your life. Stop asking, how much do I earn? Start asking, how much of my income builds assets? This is exactly what we focus on at Neuronet Wealth, transforming income into lasting wealth using time-tested principles from behavioral finance, psychology, and proven investment strategies. Because income buys comfort today, but wealth buys freedom forever. Think of wealth as your freedom number. The point where your investments, passive income, and assets work so efficiently, you no longer need to trade time for money. But here's the thing most people get wrong. They wait until they earn more to start building wealth. That's backwards. You start small, you stay consistent, and you compound results. Look at everyday American millionaires. They didn't focus on income alone. They prioritized assets, controlled expenses, and mastered their financial psychology. A study by Ramsey Solutions found that 79% of U.S. millionaires didn't inherit wealth. Most built it through consistent investing, smart saving, and living below their means. And it's not magic, it's discipline, awareness, and understanding money psychology. So let me ask you, are you building assets or just funding your lifestyle? If you're serious about building real wealth, hit that like button, share this video with someone caught in the income illusion, and subscribe to Neuronet Wealth for weekly content on money psychology, investing, and achieving financial independence. Remember, your income is temporary. Your assets can last generations. The truth is, it's not how much you make. It's how much you keep, grow, and let work for you. So the next time you get a raise or a bonus, don't upgrade your lifestyle. Upgrade your investments. Thanks for watching. Let's get to work building your freedom.